Hi, I'm Richard Smith, Product Manager for Calibre UK Limited, and I'm here on the ISE booth, Hall 14, to talk to you at the moment about our new collaborative product, the SmartBrick and SmartBrick solution. So we first debuted this brick last year in 2019, and this year we have the Brick Mark II and the new software solution. So the software solution is designed to make it very simple and effective for any retail, digital signage, smart shelf, any kind of situation where you might want a brick this size to advertise your customer and your company, to just use the software very easily.
Hi, I'm Johnson. I'm from ISE. We are at ISE 2020. Today is the greatest collaboration of Calibre and ISE. Calibre is delivering the most robust LED smart bricks on the market itself, and ISE is delivering the most reliable software for those smart bricks. The software itself provides you the video sources, the image sources, and the tickers, which were able to coincide with the LED smart bricks, projecting all the contents on the bricks itself. With the solution of Calibre's smart bricks and ISE software, it can be implemented in different areas, such as education, signages in malls, signages in windows, signages in vending machines. All these areas related to signages are very, very useful using these kind of solutions. Today, Calibre and ISE is going to provide you the most advanced and reliable and most robust solutions on the market to you.